Did you know that the average office worker spends over 30% of their time just rewriting emails? Imagine reclaiming all that time with just one simple tool. Meet Wordtune, your new writing superpower. Wordtune isn't just another grammar checker. It's an AI powered assistant designed to enhance your writing, whether you are drafting emails, working on essays, or just trying to express yourself better. Let's dive in and see what makes Wordtune a must have tool. Stuck with a sentence that doesn't feel quite right? Wordtune offers smart rewrite suggestions to elevate your writing instantly. Just highlight your text and voila! From formal to casual, Wordtune helps you match the tone and style you need. Struggling to strike the right tone? Whether you need to sound friendlier, more formal, or concise, Wordtune's tone adjustment feature has your back. Need more detail or want to keep things brief? Wordtune's expand and shorten tools make it easy to tailor your message to any audience. Writing in a non-native language? Wordtune supports multiple languages, helping you express yourself fluently and confidently. Wordtune's free version covers the basics, but with premium, you unlock advanced features like tone adjustment, additional rewrite options, and priority support. Ready to supercharge your writing? Try Wordtune for free today and experience the difference. Writing has never been so easy, fast, or fun.